Hi, I want to tell you all about our brand new shawl workshop that is just coming out, the Caonach Shawl. So we've got two versions of the shawl. There is the full textured version here, and we've also got a second option, which is the partial texture shawl. Let me just open this up here. So it's just got two panels of texture down the bottom and the rest of it stockinette stitch. This shawl was originally part of the Seasons Club for the winter season, and now we're opening it up as an individual workshop, and you've also got the ability to get gilet kits, yarn kits that would go with it that come in three different colors. There's the pavotte, there's a light grey, and there's a lovely bright red. So you can see the sample knit up in two of them. Now the workshop is for, if you haven't done a textured stitch pattern before, the workshop will help you work through the steps that you're going to need to be able to master the shawl. Because the stitch pattern, it's not difficult, it's just knit and purl stitches, but you're working on both the right side and the wrong side. Now you can either go through charts if you're comfortable with charts, or there's also written directions. I do find something like this is an excellent way of mastering charts, so that you may, if you have never been very comfortable with charts, you might initially start with the written directions, and then as you get into the swing of it, you can start teaching yourself how to read the chart on both the right side and the wrong side. And the workshops are going to be very helpful for you to be able to learn all of the different steps you're going to need to take and different tips that you might need to make sure that you're going to have as much success as possible. So as well as having two different versions of the shawl, the other variant that there is two different edgings of the shawl. So both of them have got a garter stitch edge. This one has got a picot bind off, and this one here has got an I-cord bind off. And all of those options are given within the pattern, and there's even the possibility of adjusting how much texture there is, because as people were knitting through it, some people decided that they didn't just want the two panels of texture and the rest in stockinette stitch. They decided to add an extra panel in and then have the rest in stockinette stitch. But because it's all modular and you're learning how it all fits together, you've got complete control of how the shawls are going to turn out, and you can make your own decisions every step along the way. So come and join us in the Caonach Shawl.